2008 Honda Odyssey EXL with only 70K. One owner, as you can see. Brand new Michelin's in the front. Same for the Bridgestones in the back. One owner, garage capped. Very well maintained, super clean. No scratches, no vivid scratches, no dings. Very, very clean vehicle. Rust free. Well maintained. One owner, Carfax, certified. Super clean vehicle. Let's check out the interior. Power sliding doors. Both work. Sunroof works. Key fob. Heated seats. Auxiliary. DVD player. Everything's working and operational. No rips, stains, smells in the leather. Only 70,000 miles, guys. You can see the light shining through right now. This is a beautiful vehicle, guys. Nothing wrong with it. Super clean inside and out. Once again, only 70,000 original miles.